Alright, here we go. It's a 2007 Dodge Ram 3500 with that nice Cummins diesel engine. You may have seen the video before when it was just traded in. Well, now it's all cleaned up and we're doing another video so you can see what she looks like before and after. Maybe you have a fifth wheel you may want to hook up back here. Get a good look at all the trucks out here in Marchant Chevrolet. That's right. We're in Ravenel. We're calling it truck land because we have plenty of acres of land to put trucks on. Let's take a look at the interior. She's definitely going to have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Leatherman package, so you can definitely get leather interior. This one's got the gray leather. Here's the back seats. Alright, let's crank her up. This one is a manual transmission, as you can see, okay? Four-wheel drive right there. Push the clutch in, crank it up. In neutral. Let's see how many miles. 90,189. Let's rev the engine up a little bit so you can hear what she sounds like. Sounds really good. Features on the inside like a CD player, okay? You also get an auxiliary output right here so you can plug in a smartphone or an iPod. Listen to some of those jams in here. Cold blowing AC, does have heated seats package right there for driver and passenger side. Lots of power outlets, okay? You have an auto dimming mirror. Also get a compass up here so you can see what direction you're going. And some lights. You do get a light in your vanity mirror on the driver's side and passenger side. Really nice looking truck. Also has cruise
diesel
control.
Truck, come on out to Marchant Chevrolet in Ravenel, South Carolina. That's right, truck land. We have plenty to pick from. All kinds of different trucks, small to large. My name's Chad with the Internet Sales Department. Feel free to give me a call at that phone number on the bottom of the video. I'd love to talk with you, and come on out and test drive with us. Have a great day.